At least 21 people have died after heavy snow trapped them in their vehicles in northern Pakistan. As many as 1,000 vehicles became stranded as would-be tourists reportedly rushed to view the winter snowfall in the hilltop town of Muree. A policeman, his wife and their 6 children, as well as another family of 5, are among the dead, according to local emergency services Rescue 1122. The military says it has rescued more than 300 people stranded by the snow. An army spokesperson added that military engineers and troops had also started to clear roads leading to Muree. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid said the crisis had been caused by the number of people traveling to the area, north of the capital Islamabad. More than 100,000 cars had arrived in the colonial-era town in recent days, with social media in Pakistan flooded with pictures of people enjoying the snow. But by Friday, local media reported that tourists were getting stranded. On Saturday, the heavy snow and increase in vehicles prompted authorities to declare the region a disaster zone. Pictures and video on social media show cars trapped bumper to bumper, snow piled onto their roofs. Among those who perished were 10 children, according to emergency services. Police said at least 6 had frozen to death in their cars. Asphyxiation after inhaling fumes has been given as a possible reason for the others. According to the minister who arrived in Muree to monitor the rescue operation, hundreds of vehicles were stranded in Muree whereas over 23,000 vehicles have been rescued. The tragic incident was brought to attention after several posts and videos about the same started circulating on social media. Many took to Twitter and expressed sorrow over the loss of innocent lives, while others criticized authorities for not rescuing the tourists in time. However, many tweets condemned people who are sharing heart-wrenching